Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Welcome back, y'all. Today we're continuing issue 29 of our Ghostbusters Ecto-1 build, and we have stage 108 right here. This is a very small package, so that does not particularly bode well, but let's take a look at what parts we get. Okay, this stage has 5 little pieces. We have the right rear reflector cup, the reflector outer lens, reflector inner lens, rear reflector housing, and the right rear outer light lens, and a mess of screws. Alright guys, I am an absolute idiot. I don't know why, I just completely forgot to actually turn the camera on, and I built everything, talking to y'all, thinking the camera was on, only to find out that it was not. So here is the finished product. Basically the red lens goes in here with the cap, and then we've got 2 AP screws. Over here we've got the inner lens, that little white one right there. And we've got 3 RP screws. And I mean, it's a very nice reflector. It really is. I'm not happy because this has no holes, so that means this is not going to light up. This is strictly a reflector and nothing else. And then we've got the brake light cap, and this is just push fit. Just push fit right in. And, you know, and that right there, that's it. That's all you get new from stage 108. However, there's one more step, and we got to bring out the body of the car for it. Okay, for this extra little step, we're going to come down, and this little screw right here has to come out. We're going to replace it with one of these WM screws. I can't even remember what screw that was that they put in there, but for whatever reason, we have to replace it now. So, and we got to do that on both sides. So I'm going to go ahead and get that taken care of. And then, well, that's it. There's really no need for you guys to see me speed through a couple of replacement screws here. So that is, sadly, the end of stage 108. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Have a great day.